Stop struggling with silent movies. Here's how to fix no sound on your Netflix Smart TV app in 3 easy steps. I'm Roberto from Sleek Guides. Today, we're solving the muted audio bug in the July 2026 update. Before we begin, remember, these steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Step 1. Check your in-app settings. Sometimes the app defaults to an incompatible audio stream. While playing a title, open the audio and subtitles menu. Check if 5.1 audio is selected. Switch from 5.1 to stereo if your TV speakers are the primary output. This often resets the audio handshake. Step 2. Perform a system refresh. A glitched cache often mutes the signal after a major update. Navigate to your TV's app store and check for Netflix updates. Ensure you're running the latest July 2026 build. If it's up to date, perform a full restart of your smart TV. This clears temporary files and reinitializes the drivers. Step 3. Verify your hardware output. This is crucial if you use a soundbar or external speakers. Go to your TV's sound settings. Ensure the output is set to the correct port, like HDMI-ARC or optical. Try switching the digital audio out setting to PCM or auto. This ensures compatibility with the Netflix stream format. Following these steps usually restores audio instantly. If the silence persists, it may indicate a hardware connection failure. For further help, visit Netflix's official support page or call the support line at 8333-892-054. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech updates and solutions. I'm Roberto. Thanks for watching.